really allowed me to see what a team can do in a short amount of time to deliver amazing results.
A set of very different minds and developers. It's a pretty interesting challenge what everybody else is actually bringing to the table.
I think it was a super formative event. I think I had a really good time. We had a really great experience.
I had not experience with AI, but thanks to my team, I was able to learn a little and above all, apply it to a real life problem.
It will help to solve the real world problem and also day-to-day problem.
It's not just on a personal front, but at least I would take this learning and ensure that my team is also performing well.
Within just a short amount of time, we were able to brainstorm, build and present a working prototype we were genuinely proud of.